Hey, I have this one today, the Anker dashboard car mount. This type of Anker packaging doesn't seem to be available from the US model. This is what we have in Australia. Okay, let's have a look. The inside of the dash mount. You got the welcome guide. There's the small piece to mount the smartphone. Here, there's a thing that where you can actually adjust it where you want, and then you can actually widen by hold tap this one, right? And then so you can put your phone here, right? And then adjust down the width of your phone. Anyway, a nice looking, doesn't looks like it's gonna tear apart very soon. And the other part was this the suction mount. Yeah, forget what's it look like before. This part here is adjustable out. Okay, so this part here, the ball goes through here, yeah, but make sure this thing. How do I do this? I'm guessing like that, and then you just push in the ball in, and then you secure it with this screws. Okay, so this part here, another locked here, so and then this part here goes to your windows or dashboard, and then you clamp it so it actually sucked it, and then once you're happy with the positions of your phone, this part here also can be adjustable. Adjustable up, and you locked it. Yeah, so it doesn't go anywhere. And why still? I guess this part here actually can go down, but cannot go up. Yeah, see that? Oh no. Okay, like this, for example. Like this, for example, and you locked it. Okay, yeah, and then if you want like a bit longer, and then you locked it down. Alright, it's quite rigid on this part here. So yeah, there you go. If you like this video, please give thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.